Hey crypto fans! Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own GoChain Web Wallet. In my opinion, this is one of the easiest wallets to create. It's only 4 simple steps and it's very secure. You don't need to give up any of your personal or private information. So to get started, we're going to go to explore.gochain.io/wallet. This link is provided in the video description. Now once you do that, this page is going to populate, and since we do not have a web wallet yet, we're going to create one. Let's click Create Account. First thing that's come up is your private key. This key you do not want to share with anybody. Since I'm only making this wallet for the purpose of this video, and I'll not be using it past, I'm going to share what the private key looks like. And your private key is going to be a similar randomly generated set of characters. And you're going to want to store this. In my opinion, the best place to store it is in an offline encrypted vault. So to do that, we're going to click the double boxes on the right. And it's going to copy that to our clipboard. And we're going to save that in our encrypted vault. Next, we have our public address. This address we can share with people, and it is the address that we're going to use to fund our account. This too we're going to store next to our private key so that we know what private key relates to which address. In order to copy that, we click again the double boxes to the right, and we're going to save that next to our private key. Now lastly, we have here our QR code. The QR code allows for your public key to be populated once somebody scans this code. So it allows for quick and easy transactions. Once we've created our wallet, we're going to click Use Wallet. Here you can see your wallet address and your balance. It's 0 balance because we just created it and we haven't funded it yet. We're going to go over how to fund your wallet in a later video. And that is it. You have just successfully created your GoChain Web Wallet. Now to test this out, we're just going to click the tab here, Wallet. And if we take the private key that we had stored, we're going to paste it there and click Open Wallet. As you can see, it's opened up the wallet that we just created in this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please comment other content you wish me to cover. And as always, thanks for watching.